All right, so in this video, we have to make sure that you have an account obviously set up so that we can start getting your Google Ads up and running. And it's not too complicated, it's fairly simple. Just so you know, Google Ads used to be called Google AdWords for years and years and years. So if I reference AdWords, it's because I've been talking about the same thing for all those years until they changed it. Real simple, go to Google, type in Google Ads. It'll pull up, you click on it, and then all you're going to do is you're going to see this page. Nice thing here is they do offer ad credits when you set up your account. So you can actually get free cash right out of the gates to test your spending. So if you spend $25, they're going to give you $75 additional in ad credit, which is kind of cool. And that is legitimate money that you can use as ad costs. So they want to make sure that they get you up and running. Now, all you're going to do is sign in. And first and foremost, make sure you have a Google AdWords account set up. Okay, so I was going in here, I was testing a few, so I'm gonna go in here and click on this one right here. And I think this was the one I was looking for. So I've kind of gone through, I've tested some of this because I'm trying to create a brand new one so I can show you what it looks like from the beginning. Okay, so I use this email right here. His name is Publishing, which is my publishing company. And what I do is when you first set your ad up, they basically ask you to, what your kind of your goals are. You can click here to get some examples if you wanted to. Click on that. I'm going to go with website signups, and you can obviously change each one. Has nothing to do really with anything besides their kind of the initial setup. So my business name is going to be Zamus Publishing. Okay, I got that set up. It's going to, like if you have a physical address, obviously you can do that. You're going to just kind of click next on most of these. And I think there's also an option, there used to be, to where you could click skip all this stuff. But anyhow, I want to just kind of show you some of this. Publisher. And it might give me some examples. Okay, so it did. So I'm going to go book publisher. If I wanted to add any of these, I could. This is just going to kind of help AdWords, the algorithms find me better. But I'm going to click next, and it's going to default automatically to help you get your first ad set up, which is basically just a search ad. It's kind of a text ad. So you can see that they already pre-published this, boom, boom, boom. There are ad examples that they give you right out of the gates. You can check those out. So you want to set that up. But let's say I wanted to, this is where my ad's going to go. I click next. And what it's ultimately going to do is it's going to take me to where I'm going to set my budget. And then when I click next, it's now going to set up my campaign goals, a little bit, da-da-da-da. Click next. And this is demo account. And the last thing of the setup would be setup billing. Okay, so I put the credit card in. Once that's all done, you basically have your account set up. So if this was the only way for you to set it up, you could go through, set up your account, put $1 in, and you got that set up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Google Ads, and you would go in there and turn that campaign off. So you wouldn't spend any money on it. And that's what I really do like. Probably one of the best things I like about Google Ads is the fact that if they're not giving you results, they are not taking your money, which is really, really awesome. Unlike the other social platforms like the Facebooks, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, they will, if you say I want to spend $20 a day, they will spend your $20 a day. Whereas Google Ads kind of formulates it where it's going to go up or down. You might spend, if you have a $20 a day budget, you might spend only $5 today because it only gave you X amount of results, or people were searching for that and clicked on it, and it didn't burn through your account. Okay, so it's kind of cool how they do that. But anyhow, that's kind of simple how you can set that up, set up your account, get that taken care of, and then you're ready to go. And then we'll take you to the, then I'll get you going here on the next videos.